stretch before our lesson. And then after the stretch, we're gonna warm up our bodies a little. All right? So Phillips and Roanoke, we're together, so we gotta do this together. Ready? We're gonna start with this hand right here, go across the chest and grab that wrist. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And we're gonna take this hand and we're gonna go across the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And we're gonna take this hand and we're gonna slap our back. And we're gonna take this hand and put it on our elbow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And then we're gonna take this other hand and we're gonna go ahead and scratch our back again. And take this hand and put it on our elbow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna straddle our legs and go ahead to the right side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And we're gonna switch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. All right, we're going down on the ground, guys. We're gonna go ahead and straddle. We're gonna go to the right side, so show me your hands, and down to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And we're gonna show our hands again, go to the left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 claps. And my favorite stretch is the butterfly stretch. So we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. You guys ready? All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 2 claps. Great job, we're up on our feet now, guys. Now that we're up on our feet and we finished stretching, now it's time to really warm up. So we're gonna go ahead and do a light jog in place. Ready? For 10 seconds, go. 10, freeze. Now we're gonna go side to side for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Freeze. Let's go back to the jog. Crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and freeze. High knees, let's get our knees up. Go. And freeze. 10 jumping jacks. Let's try it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. High knees, go. And we're gonna end, because our heart rates are up, right? Heart rate up. We are gonna go ahead and do 5 blast offs. Let me show you what blast offs look like. Ready? We're gonna make sure our legs are apart and our hands are like this because we gotta hold on. We're gonna go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. You guys ready? You guys ready? We're going somewhere. We're gonna go outer space. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. That's 1, 5, 4, 3,
Alright, bowling is similar to tossing in the motion that you're gonna take, but it's a little different with the release point. Alright, so I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna step with my opposite foot to begin. Alright, if you're right-handed, that's fine, so you're just gonna step with your other foot. Alright, so I have the ball in my left hand, I'm gonna step with my opposite foot, I'm gonna reach back, I'm still gonna do that tick-tock motion that we talked about. Alright, and then I'm going to release the ball at a low point and then follow through. Alright, to knock that in the pin. I'll go over it one more time. I'm gonna step with my opposite foot. I'm gonna reach back. Alright, tick-tock, release at a low point and then follow through. Make sure when you release that your hand is pointing right at your target. Because if your hand is pointing this way, your ball is gonna go that way. If it's pointing that way, your ball is gonna go that way. Make sure when you release that the ball is pointing right at your target. All right. Now, Coach Heitman is gonna explain the activity that we're gonna do today.
Hey guys. So for your activity today, we're gonna start with one pin. We're using pins. You guys can use anything at home that you have. A water bottle, a teddy bear, a box of cereal, as long as it's nothing that can get damaged when you hit it with your ball. So we're gonna start with your object standing up, and you're gonna start about 5 steps away from your water bottle. Okay? You're gonna turn and you're gonna try to roll the ball, and you're gonna see if you can hit your target. If you hit your target, you're going to take one big step backwards. Then you're going to roll again to see if you can hit your target. If you hit it, you're going to take another step backwards. If you don't hit your target, that's fine. You're going to go get your ball, and you're going to go back to where you left off, and you're going to try again. If you want to bring your marker with you, so we're using these little spots. You can use a sock or a shoe, anything you have around the house. Every time you take a step back, you can pull it with you. Then if you miss, you know exactly where to go back to. So let's see how this works. We're all going to start on our spot. We're going to step, like Coach Perry said, with our opposite foot. We're going to see if we can roll and hit our pin. If we hit it, we're all going to take a step back. If we miss, we just go back to where we are now. Are you guys ready to see how this works? Are you guys ready? All right, let's see. It still is PE class, so you want to hustle, you want to get your ball fast, set your pin up. We're still trying to get our heart rate up.